What if a two-character typo could have let hackers take over every AWS account in the world? A critical AWS build flaw nearly turned that nightmare into reality. This wasn't a normal malware. This was a software supply chain flaw in AWS' own development pipeline. Security researchers at WIS discovered a misconfiguration in AWS CodeBuild, the service that compiles and builds code that usually tied to GitHub pull requests. The flaw was in a webhook filter that incorrectly trusted incoming build triggers because of an unanchored regex pattern, meaning attackers could forge build triggers and get privileged access to AWS GitHub repos. With this simple flaw, a malicious pull request could have let attackers do something very dangerous. Some of the AWS repos affected included the AWS JavaScript SDK, which powers the AWS Console itself, the interface where admins manage cloud accounts. And nasty code been inserted into the SDK and released. Every AWS environment that uses it could have been compromised. And that's not theoretical, it's supply chain scale risk. And here's the crazy part. AWS fixed it before anyone could exploit it in the wild. Wiz responsibly disclosed the issue to AWS back in August 2025. AWS patched the regex issue in 48 hours, revoked exposed credentials, hardened memory protections, and audited all public build pipelines to ensure no other similar flaws remained. They confirmed no customer environment was impacted, but this incident is huge. Wake-up call not just for AWS customers, but for all developers and cloud teams who depend on CI/CD automation. So let's switch gears and talk about how you can protect your cloud environments from similar supply chain hazards. Audit your CI/CD configs. Make sure pull requests from untrusted sources cannot auto-trigger builds. Anchor webhook filters. Use exact match patterns, no regex shortcuts. Least privilege tokens. Give tokens only the rights they truly need. Add human review gates. Require approval before any automated build with shared credential runs. Monitor your pipeline logs. Look for unusual build triggers or unexpected GitHub activity. This wasn't a bug. It's a supply chain alarm bell for entire cloud industry. If you want more real cybersecurity breakdowns that help you stay safe, hit like, comment, secure, and subscribe for more future alerts. Thanks for watching.